guys, this is Mitch with Apex. I just want to let you guys know that we're an up-and-coming YouTube channel, and we're going to kind of be a mixture between 1320 Video and Haggard Garage. We're going to be doing a lot of builds, turbos on Miatas and stuff of that nature, and a lot of hooning. So go ahead and click the link, go to our channel, and subscribe.